morning, my man.
Husband, but she kissed another one?
Some banks like
Good morning, good morning. Welcome back. How's the weekend, guys? How was the weekend? How's the new week looking? Good morning, good morning. There's something new. We have snow today. That's something new. We have snow. Today is a good day. Finally some snow. Because it's been so long. Haven't seen snow for a while. Sim session tonight. Couldn't do it yesterday. Sim session tonight. No worries, my friend. Oh, the new toy. The new toy is amazing. New toy is amazing. Hello, hello, good morning, good morning, good morning. Are you going live on your session too? No, would be too much. Okay, let's see what we have here because we gotta find a good trade now. New week. We need to find a good trade. USD CAD disappointed us a little bit last week. It didn't continue to the downside. It did, but had to close at break even or small 2-3 pip loss. So it didn't went as we expected. It went later on to the downside, but it was too late because it gave us a fake out. Now we're having a lot of projection at this level, and what can I say except that we can expect some continuation to the downside if it fails to break to the upside. But what if it breaks to the upside? If it breaks to the upside, we're gonna have to wait for a good breakout. like a 10 pips breakout would be perfect, because we don't want to get in another fake out like this was, because this was not a 10 pips breakout. Anyway, we took it because it was USD CAD. It's not required to have a 10 pips breakout, but at this point I think now we gotta wait for 10 pips breakout just to make sure that we break this zone clearly. You know, we close above clear, we don't have any doubts when we take it. So we're gonna wait for a 10 pips breakout. If it doesn't break to the upside, we'll see what we can do. Maybe to the downside we can have something. Putting my line here because it looks like this was a fake out. See, rejections, price closed above, couldn't continue, closed above, then it continued to reject the same level over and over again. So this is going to be the level we can focus on USD CAD if price breaks to the downside. So let's see. We're gonna have to pass on this because there's nothing yet. Aussie dollar has been the same level over and over again. Couldn't really break. What can we do on Aussie dollar? We have a 1 hour close. EJ looks good. What happened with GJ? EJ. Not very sure about EJ. Anyway, but yeah, it closed above all these previous zones actually. It did close all above these previous zones.
So my resistance is at 0.500 and it did a 5 pip break on my list.
Yeah, I think the 4 hour is lower. We have we broke on the 1 hour. Let's wait for a retest here. Even though it did kind of pull back, but I think it's not enough for us. Wow. Looks like no retest at all. I mean, it did, but had to come lower. Yeah,
Hi,
looks like
Siad.
it's gone. Ash, hi.
Eurocad looks good if you can check it out.
Your cat, oh, I don't trust your cat most of the time. I don't know. I mean, we had plenty of rejections. I think it's this one is bothering me. This one on the left here. The zone here. See the 4 hour where the resistance is. Yeah, it looks the same. Even though 1 hour looks very promising, came all the way up, break above this previous 5-6 candles, and making a retest. Probably gonna have some continuation, but we have these rejections on the left that making me uncomfortable here. So I'm not very sure about this, because see, we have a lot of rejections here. Lots of rejections, and that's where price is right now. See these wicks where they got rejected? Maybe it's better to wait for a break above these two. So then we'll expect a retest to continue up. But I'm not that sure. We need to clear this whole zone here. we need to clear this. So we'll wait. We'll wait on it. Let's see if we have anything else here. GCAT. GCAT. Nothing there. Euro NZD is currently at resistance. If we get a break, I hope it closes back in the middle of these two zones, because next zone is very close. Baitu, you took EJ?
Yes, bro. Unfortunately, just one position.
Yeah, I was just waiting to come a little lower.
Yeah, my entry. I wanted the perfect entry at 500, but I entered at 530. My first entry. It was the week.
Yeah, we'll probably take bias, because it looks like it was a very small range, but it moved too fast.
Yeah, it moved
Didn't
very
give
fast.
me time to look at it. EA has a very good zone here. We've got a lot of rejections right now, which just indicates that we are at a strong resistance. I don't really trust EA, but we'll see how it goes. Maybe it'll give us a good chance. If it gives us a good chance, then we'll see if we can take anything or not. GBP US dollar, there's been a lot of zones recently, a lot of zones, and we're still in this big consolidation box. We have this big consolidation box, and right now I don't know what we can do inside of this. Let's clear everything and see if we can find a good zone here. I think this one looks good. Let's see if it matches with the 1 hour. If we go on the 1 hour, do we have a good zone or not? I think so. Or is it a little lower? Yeah, I think it's a little lower. What if we break below this on GU? Maybe we'll have a good chance, because we have rejection. We had a breakout and a retest before, then we had a breakout and a retest after, then another one to the upside. Then price got rejected. A breakout, a retest, which resulted in a fake out since it was coming from another zone probably. A breakout, a retest, another rejection, a breakout, a retest. We took or not. Did we take this? I don't know. Anyway, did reject first, twice, then it closed back in the range. We had a few rejections here, which just indicated that we have a zone here, but we're gonna have to wait for this candle to see how it goes. Right now we don't have anything official, not an official setup yet.
Yeah, bro.
Yes.
I think GBP CAD can give us something to the downside.
GBP CAD to the downside?
Yeah, it just broke to the upside, but it's somehow like melting right now. And if it breaks two zones, it would be great. So if it breaks 1.7300.
GCAD is very volatile most of the time, but we'll take a look.
Yeah, you don't really like it, right?
Yeah, I don't, because it does a lot of fake outs. See, GJ is right now at this resistance, and it's a very good zone. We'll see if we can break this or not, because it can give us a very good setup after breaking that. Look, Beto, GCAT has a lot of zones. I don't know which one I would focus on.
Yeah, the one that I have is 1.7331.
This one here?
Yeah, exactly. And then the one at 1.730. 300.
Yeah, around here.
Yeah, around there.
These two. Yeah,
Yes.
but next one is just below there. No,
Oh,
I wouldn't
hell
mess
no.
with. I wouldn't mess with this.
Yeah. I wanted to support Ash because he likes GCAT, but
Yeah, USD CAD would be good. I mean, last two trades on USD CAD, last one was break even, and previous one was a loss. I don't know what's happening with USD CAD. USD CAD usually has a very good. We have a good win rate on USD CAD. Lately hasn't been that good. A lot of look at this, a lot of consolidation, just ranging, and doing these stupid moves then without a retest. But we'll see. We'll see if we get a good break to the upside. I don't know. We might have a good setup here because we have a lot of rejection. It wouldn't make any sense if price would break above, then go all the way to the downside. Wouldn't make any sense. So we'll try to see. I mean, yeah, maybe it's preparing for a big move. Uh, a break to the upside, maybe I would be happier to have a break to the upside. To the downside, we don't really have much. Even though, I mean, if we don't have much, means we can go easy to the downside because there's no traffic. So why would price stop once it breaks this zone on the 1 hour? But we'll see. I mean, to the upside would be easier because we have more levels that we can use as targets. To the downside, wouldn't be very good because where would you put your next zone? I mean, it would go for 10 pips, 20, but to the upside, just more simple. It's next zone, it's around 20 pips. After that, you got another zone, 10 pips after the first one. So it's good. Would be good to have a break to the upside. No, we're not buying USD CAD because it's not a breakout yet. We need a good close above. UJ, the slowest pair ever. Okay, Bay2, see you later. Actually, if you look at USD CAD, if USD JPY, looks like it has moved more than UJ, more than USD CAD. So UJ has moved more than USD CAD. So we don't mess these two. Right now, I don't see much. I don't see much. What else? Euro AUD. Euro AUD. We'll see. GJ. We just talked about GJ. We need a close above 138, 940, 900. So this is our zone here. If we break this, we have a good range to go to the upside. Yeah, I would wait for the 1 hour. Why not? 1 hour can be a good breakout, a good confirmation for us. So we'll see. I think we're gonna have some good setups coming up. Gonna have some good setups. Okay. Now let's not look at secondary pairs because better wait for a good chance for major pairs. Look at Euro US dollar. So you guys, I saw you guys were trying to sell you, but it wouldn't make sense with 2-3 candles selling, price at a very strong resistance. I mean, you would say, okay, it's at resistance, broke minor support, but no, it's just not good enough. With the 2-3 rejection, it's not good enough. I mean, it would probably continue to the upside here if we had a good break above here, but fortunately it didn't. I think we would probably see some continuation here. This current candle has no top wick. Probably is going to make one. Previous candle close pretty strong above the previous one. Let's see. But I would rather have a previous candle close above. That would be a good confirmation because this means that there's no breakout yet. It's just still in the same range. Wow, EJ could have been very nice. Already moved like 10-15 pips. I mean, it just had to give me another minute. That's all. One more minute and I would be in this trade, but it moved very fast. Didn't give us a chance. Aussie dollar. Aussie dollar, I mean, based on candles here, based on the candles, I would say we could have some continuation here. Just based on how candles are formed. Priced not the best. 4 hours still rejecting the zone. 1 hour. So if you look at it close, you see that we had a zone formed here. Since we had some few rejections here and there, and then the problem is that this candle closed below but didn't respect this level. So this candle didn't respect this level, and this candle looks like it's not respecting the level either. In a good break and retest, in a good zone, I would say after this candle, this one is going to make a wick and probably is going to push above once it makes the retest. But in this case, this zone is not that strong. So what does that mean? It means they're just going to watch. But my guess is that from what I see here, this can continue more to the upside. Let's take a look at a daily to have an idea. Yeah, so daily, I don't see much on a daily. I don't see much on the daily. Daily opened with a small gap. See? We can't say that we have a very clean breakout on the daily, but on lower time frames we do have a breakout above the daily, so this could have been a retest for more continuation. That's why we could expect some continuation here, but as the daily is not a breakout, it's a bit risky. Stay away. It's not a classic break and retest. No, we didn't do a webinar on Friday. We didn't. We had a trade on Friday, Aussie dollar. Took Aussie dollar on this candle here. So the buy was here after we broke above this level, and we got this move to the upside. Then we took USD CAD. USD CAD acted weird. Didn't get anything from it. I took a 2 free pip loss. So we'll see. Can we mark the 4-hour also? Where? GJ? Yeah, so GJ has the same level. 4-hour and 1-hour. So look, this is going to be good actually. And if we break this level, it's going to be good. If we break on the 1-hour, 4-hour, it's not going to close for another 2 hours. So it might take time, so we can focus on the 1-hour. If we break above, I think we're going to have some nice continuation. What else? EA, it's still there, it's not moving that much. We had 2 previous rejections, a lot of rejection also before. We'll see if it's gonna respect the zone. We'll see. We'll see. Your CAD, as I said, we have a zone here, but we have one just above our head here. So look, we have plenty of rejections. We can't ignore that. So it's better to wait for a clean break above that too. Because if we take here and take a loss, we would know and we would do the mistake with by purpose, you know. So let's not do that. Let's wait for a break above that. In that case, we don't do a mistake. Better to miss the trade than to take it with going against the rules. USD Mexican pesos is not on my list. Sorry, very sorry. Maybe take a screenshot and send a chart or do something, and I'll take a look. Euro NZD also is at resistance. Now guys, all you have to do is have some patience. So the week has started last night actually, but it's only the beginning. We have to wait little by little. Something is gonna show up. Something's gonna show up, and then we'll be here to take it. So no need to rush things. It's just a Monday. New Zealand, Japanese yen. So yen might have a good setup there. If it breaks above, might give us a good chance. Good. Looks good, Nick. Thank you for sharing it. We'll take a look on last 2 minutes of the 1-hour candle. We'll see if we can have a breakout there. Maybe we'll take a trade. These colors are nice. Not bad, they're nice. Need to change this background now, because it gets me boring now. Too many webinars with it. We need to have a change here. USD CHF to turn bullish. Actually, I think it can still continue down because we are sitting at below support, and actually we had a good break and retest. Who would have thought that USD CHF is going to respect levels this good? Let's see. The DJPY looks good. All we gotta do is wait for a break above this. Some nice momentum right now. Hope this continues on the next few hours. You should use dark mode with gold candles. Looks sick. Who knows? Maybe it does. Gold candles? Which one are gold candles? This or this? Something like this. Don't like this. They are ermine colors. I know. I know. Let's try with gray, but maybe use same candle colors. Is this any good or not? It's not that bad. Not that bad. Don't really like solid background anymore. I'd rather have something like this. Looks better. Fun. Welcome. Try this theme. Let's take a look. Ash, it's not opening, I think. I don't see which one. Can you send maybe another link or something? Because I can't open that. I don't know. Which one is it?
Bro, I sent another link.
The link is not opening, just opening a lot of different ones.
I sent another link after
Oh,
that.
okay. Oh, I don't know. These colors. I don't like that blue one. We'll try them later. EJ took off. Yes, it did. It did take off.
Bro, did you see that GJ trade last year?
Which one? This one?
Yes.
Yeah, I saw it. I saw this, but didn't come enough to the downside to make that retest.
Actually, it came to this level, I guess. It respected this
Yeah,
level.
this one. Yeah, but that wouldn't be a good level to take the trade, except this one. This would be a stronger support to take the buys there. Let's wait. Still, we have plenty of time.
I also took that Eurocat buy, but that resistance was respecting a lot, so I closed it at break even. The resistance which you pointed out.
Yeah, it's not very safe. It's not very safe. We can still have some continuation, but wouldn't be very safe here. Unless we break above that, it's not very safe. Just be patient. Be patient. Something's gonna come up. Something is gonna come up. I think Aussie dollar is gonna turn bullish very soon. Next 30 minutes. Wow, EJ went so good. EJ went so nice. It's not coming back anymore. Look, this was very strong 4 hours resistance. You know, once we closed above, game over. Now we can go all the way to fill this wick to the upside here. That's the next target. This we have a lower zone around here. Then once we go above that too, we're going all the way up. This can cause some problems first, maybe. Then after that, nothing that can stop EJ. EA is good also staying above. We'll see what happens. We have good zone there. It's a 4-hour zone too, and a 1-hour zone. Having a 1-hour breakout, even though I don't know, I'm not gonna trust this much. You know, the reason is the breakout candle is right where resistance is. So it's come for when it comes for a retest, it's gonna be like a whole pullback of this candle. You know, and we don't like that. We like to have the breakout candle coming from below here, having a breakout, a retest, continuation, but when the breakout candle starts right where resistance is, I just don't like that much. We'll see. Have to wait. Let's see. We have to wait. AJ, what's happening with ADJPY? All these requirements. Let's take a look. Better be good. Okay, not bad. Okay, 4 hour looks good. Okay, very nice. Very nice. The 4 hour is great. 1 hour is also very good. We're gonna need a good close above. Once we do that, then we have a good chance. I think this was only a fake out before, so this is where most of rejections are. So we're gonna wait for this zone to break, a retest and continuation. We can use this as our target. So yeah, looks good. Looks good. Thank you guys for finding this. We'll see. We'll see. USD CAD breaking support. Okay. Looks like it's not gonna wait for us because there are another 25 minutes left. God knows how far it's gonna push. But I'm gonna wait. Who knows? Maybe it stays here for a while and gives us a retest. Okay. So we'll see. Here's the cat is breaking to the downside. What else we have? EA is breaking to the upside too. If price comes from this zone, I don't know if I'm gonna like this because it's not the first time price rejecting this. We've been here before. This one. It looks like we have a zone there. So price coming from there, I think it would be risky. So maybe I'm gonna skip EA and better wait for USD CAD or AUD JPY or GJ or GJ. GJ is gonna be very good actually. We have a very good level here on GJ. If we break above, I think we're gonna have a good move to the upside. We have this next zone we can reach easily. Leaving a small wick here would be good. Let's see some continuation after. Let's see the daily. Yeah, because the daily, if daily goes above that, we break also the daily level. That's why we need a good break above here. Brexit news coming up. Okay, let's take a look if we have any kind of news here coming up. Expected news, because unexpected news, we don't know when they're gonna come. So from the expected news, we don't really have anything. We have some low impact news, which really not gonna do anything. We have a speech in 2 hours almost for Euro. Okay, that's far. 2 hours. Yeah, looks like nothing much other than that. So let's see if there's something. No, Facebook. FOREX Factory. Let's see, news. Brexit. Ireland's colony says deal can be done this week. Okay, see? What do we say on Friday? Every day we're having the same things. EU says we're gonna do a deal. Britain says we're not doing a deal. Ireland says a deal can be done today, so it's, I don't know. It's boring. It's a boring thing, same thing over and over again. It is very boring. We'll see, we'll see. For now, I think we're good. Unless we have something else that has a higher impact, unexpected. How was last December? I think last December was good. I think last December was good actually. I don't remember for sure, but I just remember there was some good moves that happened last December. Because we expected, small moves. We didn't expect much from December, and then what happened is that the best moves happened on December. We had some great moves, and I was actually surprised. Let's see. Okay, GBP CAD. Actually, GBP CAD. We talked about GBP CAD earlier, and I think just too many zones in between. I don't really like it. I would rather skip this. Uh, Better focus on a better pair. Some good pair. CAD JPY can be an option too. I think so. What if it closes like this? A very good close. Yeah, it's DJPY also. We are having a breakout. Let's see, let's see. Let's see, we are gonna get some nice setups coming up. Is there a signal GBP USD for sell? What do you think? I don't see a sell on GBP US dollar. GBP US dollar rejecting the support. Nothing yet there. Let's focus on this. AUD JPY not gone above yet, but NZD JPY is gonna be good. Think so. Hopefully we'll have a good breakout above, and then we're gonna have some continuation. But we need a good breakout like this. Don't need some small breakout there to make things harder for us. Let's wait. We have another 15 minutes left. Once we're done with this hour, I think we're getting some good breakouts. I think we're gonna have some good breakouts. Just a matter of time right now. So patiently waiting. Patiently waiting. You like CAD CHF? No, I'm not gonna look now 100 pairs. Okay, let's just focus on one, because we have plenty. USD CAD is breaking. GJ is breaking. I don't know yet. We have still some minutes. CAD JPY is breaking. What else? AUD JPY is rejecting. Not good yet. NZD JPY is very good. We have to wait now. We have plenty here. No need to go and search for more. You know, we have something in our hand. Let's keep these now. If these don't give us something, then we go search for something else. No, no trade yet. We are still waiting. Yes, after the breakout, we always wait for the retest. The breakout is our confirmation, and we enter on the retest. It's not permissible to trade forex in India. I have no idea. I have no idea if forex is not legit on India. I don't have any information about that. Which levels should we consider, the most recent one or the previous ones too? You have to consider everything. You know, if they match with each other, previous ones and current ones, is the best, because you'll have a good confirmation when it breaks. But if they don't match, it's not a very good thing. This happens every day. This happens every day. How can we confirm the perfect retest? The retest is when price comes to your zone and touches your support and then goes to the upside. Just if price break this zone, then comes and retests this zone, that's when you enter. There's no need to wait for anything else. There's also other ways to trade break and retest. You can wait for the retest candle to close, but that way you can lose a lot of opportunities, because when there's a lot of momentum, you can have the move right after the breakout candle. So you can have the move right on the first retest. A price can move all the way up. You can't find an entry after that. So that's what we do. We enter on the first retest it comes. If price is not gonna come after uh, right after the breakout, it might take some time, but still we can take it unless it comes from another zone. What does that mean? If price breaks this, goes straight to the next zone, then comes for retest, that's very risky because it can be as a rejection. That zone that it hits can be a very strong zone and it might result in a fake out. Can it result in a fake out? Chances are higher. I can't say it's going to happen every time, but chances are higher. So if you have higher chance of a fake out, you don't take it. You skip it. You skip it. So let's wait. Let's wait. Right now, there's a 3-4 pip push above. So if we close like this, is this gonna be good? I think so, since it's not a major pair. These pairs are not very volatile, so we can take a trade with a small breakout. We'll see. If we get a 5 pips breakout, would be even better. The bigger the breakout, the better the trade's gonna be. Great that I can help. Great. On the 15-minute chart showing rejection, we don't use lower time frames. Ten pips, yeah, you're right. Even with a small breakout, see, it still worked. It still went pretty good, even though it was a weak breakout. But in these pairs, you don't need a very big breakout. They can work out pretty well, just a small one. Stop loss, we'll see. We'll see. Stop loss can be around 7-8 pips. I think wouldn't need more than that. Like an 8 pip or 10 if you want to, if it's a fake out, you can survive without taking a loss using 10 pip stop loss. Well, we'll see. I think first target can be this, filling this wick here. That's around 13-12 pips as a first target. After that, we might continue even more. But right now, we need a breakout first. We have 6 minutes left. We'll see. After the candle close, we'll make a decision where to put stop loss, take profit, everything. ADJPY got rejected. Nothing much on it. EA, look at EA. Straight to the next zone. Didn't wait at all. UJ CAD's rejecting. Probably is not gonna have a good breakout. Aussie dollar is dropping. Nothing yet there. GU is dropping. GJ probably same, yes. So a close like this wouldn't give us a chance for entering because it is very small. And on GJ, we would like to have at least a 10 pips breakout. And right now, it doesn't seem like it's going to do that. And taking GJ with a 2-3 pips breakout wouldn't be a very good idea. CAD JPY has a good setup too, actually. We have a lot of rejection at this zone, so if we manage to close above like this, the retest should be good for some more continuation, unless we are on the daily resistance. Yeah, we'll see. Maybe we have some more room to continue up. I like NZD-JPY. I think we can have a quick move to the next zone here. We'll see how it closes. It's almost there. What package you using for TradingView? I don't really know. I think I'm pro. I don't really know exactly because I paid for a year like 3-4 months ago. I forgot what it is. EA at resistance. Right now it's not doing anything. What can you do here? Nothing yet. It's still at this resistance. I mean, even if I'm gonna have a very good break above here, I don't know if I would be very safe to take it, because EA would like to make some deep retest. Yeah, as the DJPY is very good. Let's see if it's gonna work out or not. A breakout is almost happening. We have another 4 minutes left. 4 minutes left to have a breakout here. Two minutes left. 2 minutes left, and we'll see. No rush, no rush. 2 minutes left. Two minutes left. NJ is a major daily level. It is breaking that. I think so. Is it breaking the daily?
I said.
Day 2 is back. Look, daily. On the daily, we have 1, 2, 3 candles, same level rejecting. Then if you go left, we have the same level also. This one is a little higher, so maybe we should focus on the ones that are more recently, which are more than the only one that we have, which is higher. but I don't like this. Now 1 minute left, and we have a very small breakout. I don't know if I'm gonna take this. It's only 1 pips above. It's not gonna be good. And the worst thing is that next candle can push all the way up. I don't know. It's not a good breakout, unfortunately. We are unlucky on this hour close. We are unlucky. Let's see, DJPY didn't break. Your cat is pushing your NZD. Just look at this. We just had to close a little higher and would have a breakout. Cat JPY, we do have a breakout here, so that's good. GJ, it's not a breakout yet. I'm gonna skip this. NZD, US dollar, nothing much. GU is at support. Aussie dollar is still on the same place. Closed pretty bearish. We might see some continuation to this next zone. If we break the support today, it can be awesome trade. USD CAD got rejected all the way up, no breakout unfortunately. USD JPY is right at resistance. EA is right at resistance also. I don't know if you guys want to take something on EA, but it's right at resistance. Better wait for a breakout. EJ flew.
Bro, Aussie dollar looks good for sales.
Aussie dollar looks good for sales, but we don't really have nothing here. It's not a strong zone that we can take a trade here. And the next zone is only 5 pips of range. Until see from this support to this, it's 4 or 5 pips.
But it will come to retest like a little deeper.
Where you think of taking SAS around here?
Yes.
I don't know. I don't know. I mean, we do have the next zone here, and we don't really have much on the left. I should continue to the zone at least. It comes a little deeper, because actually it wouldn't make any sense right now for price to continue up. Just the fact that for once closed bearish, close all the way bullish, no top wick. This previous candle, no top wick. Now this has no top wick, bottom wick. I mean, the fact that it closed like this means there's a lot of momentum to the downside. Now, maybe this was the highest that's gonna come, and now it's gonna start to push down. But it would really make sense to continue to this next zone.
But if it doesn't turns bearish right now and comes deeper for retest, then we can take it. Because this level on the left looks, and like if you check this level on the left, it looks good.
If the price turns bearish, I wouldn't look at it anymore, because once it turns bearish, it's gonna come here. It's a small range, so it's not gonna be hard for Aussie dollar to push through that.
No, I'm saying that if it doesn't turn bearish,
Oh yeah, if it doesn't go bearish, then yeah, or we can still take it maybe. The thing is, it's gonna be a good risk reward trade, because you can use like a 5 pip stop or 6.
like we can use 6-7 pips stops about that
go
breakout.
Yes, not even 10 pips, like 7 pips is enough, because I don't see price coming all the way up if it comes around here. Just wouldn't make any sense. Just the way the candles are forming, just telling us the price might continue to the downside. Just the way candles are forming.
Yeah, because that breakout is very strong.
Yeah, let's see. Your JPY has gone too far right now. What can I say? I mean, there are some zones right now at this current price. Honestly, I don't know what we're gonna do here. We're gonna need more candles now. We need some consolidation, something. Because right now, if price comes for retest, would be coming as a 4-hour rejection, and taking that would be too risky. Too risky. Look at USD CAD. Came all the way down and got rejected. If now would come all the way up and break above, that would be perfect. I mean, wouldn't think twice. That would be a very good confirmation for us. Like something like this. Then a retest would be perfect. Next candle all the way to the upside. This would be perfect. Phil, very nice. Happy to help. Starting to push. Good. We'll see. CAD JPY looks like it's out of the list right now because it already pushed to the next zone. Didn't come straight for retest, but straight to the next zone. If we'd come for retest, this would be our target, right? So it didn't come at all, straight push to the upside. Now coming from this, it would be a rejection and a higher chances of a fake out. Wouldn't like to see that. Aussie dollar turned bearish, pushing already came to the zone. We'll see. I mean, if we break the zone, it's going to be epic. It's going to be a very good trade because that's a very good level. Just a matter of time. We need to wait. We need to wait. How long it take you to start making profit? Well, I made profit from the first days, but not consistent. So to be consistent took me a year at least. My question is, do you trade via MetaTrader through Pepperstone? Yeah. Use MetaTrader, I use CTrader, both. NZD JPY 4-hour breakout? Not a bad idea. Not a bad idea, because the next hour the 4-hour closes. So it can be pretty good. Also on the 4-hour. I mean, I don't see 4-hour failing here. Once make the retest, should give us like a 10 pip at least. CJ is on one of our resistance. Yes, it is. Or skip the CJ is out of the list right now. I'm not gonna take it anymore. Let's wait. Do you trade GU sometimes? No. I don't really remember last time I traded GA, sorry. Not GU. GA. I don't really trade GA. I don't trade GBP AUD because most of the time needs some deep retest, which is not very good for us. Makes deeper retest, which can be more than 20 pips sometimes. It's not a good thing. Would I take EU? Sorry, no. I don't like it. It's not a good level now. I said I would take it at this. If this candle would close above, would be good momentum. I would catch this move, right? But no, not now. Not now. GJ is still at the same place. Maybe it's waiting. Maybe the 4 hour is gonna break. I mean, who knows? A 4 hour breakout would be even better. No, there's no sell signal on GU yet because we need this candle close below. Even with this candle closing below, I'm still not gonna be very sure. I mean, the GU chart's not good. It's not good. There's a lot of projections on different zones. You can't really make sure which level you want to take the trade. But right now, I'm seeing this as an opportunity, but we'll see. I mean, it all comes down to the last minutes of the 1 hour candle, which can be key. We're gonna have a whole rejection, who knows. I'm hoping that USD CAD might give us a trade if it goes above this zone and close above, but it's not gonna be easy. Best pairs are these that I have on my right side. These are the best pairs. Yeah, I don't really like GU. It's like some crazy chart. GU doesn't really do this, but it is doing this, and it's pretty crazy. Next zone is around here. I don't know. It's dropping a lot right now. We'll see where it's gonna go. What is your plan, GU? EA, yeah, we'll see. NZD, JPY. I think right now this is the best option we have if we get a 4 hour breakout. UJ is on my watch list, but usually it's too slow. I don't like it. But here's a setup that we might have later on. Is if this current candle closed like that, a retest, and also we'll have a 4 hour breakout, which makes things even better because a double confirmation, 1 hour and 4 hour. Brexit. Ireland's Coveney says deal can be done this week. I think you're a little bit late because that's been like an hour 40 minutes ago. Mia, you're a little bit late. But thank you for sharing. Gold. Gold is deadly. It's a deadly weapon. It is a deadly pair. Any direction is bearish as hell. Gold is bearish as hell right now. Touch the support here. I can't give you anything. Wait for some consolidation. Wait for some consolidation. Wait. Then after the consolidation, wait for a break of consolidation, and that's how it goes. Because right now it's nothing. Look, you never say gold drop too much because it can go on and on and on and drop a lot more. You never can say that. It's at support right now, but later on it can smash the support and drop all the way to the next zone here. It's never too much. Don't say that. It's never too much. Market can continue for weeks, for months, for years, who knows? The win rate of break and retest is very good. I don't know how much, at least 75%, 80% win rate. I mean, for every 10 trades, we'll lose 2 or 3. In some good days, we go 2-3 weeks without a loss. Sometimes there's gonna be a bad week. You can take 2-3 losses. It just depends on the market. It depends. No. No retest on EJ, no retest on EU. I said before, it's not a good zone. It's not enough. We have 2-3 candles. It's not a good zone. EJ, there's a very strong zone here. I don't think I'm gonna take anything on EJ. Even if it comes all the way down to this zone, it's gonna be a massive rejection coming from the upside, from that resistance. So probably not gonna do anything. They are just waiting these other pairs here. Maybe as the cat's gonna do something, expecting it. Probably it's gonna turn bearish and close below down here somewhere. But I would really love a bullish break above this. Are you addicted to trading? No. Not addicted. A rejection on GJ means that might continue all the way to the downside. Why? Because this is a 4-hour level. Might be just a retest for some more continuation. Who knows? Who knows? I mean, if GJ closes like this, there's a very good chance that price might continue all the way to the downside. Who knows? But what would be a very good confirmation for that? Good confirmation, I think, if the next 4-hour candle goes below the previous one or this current one, when the next one comes, closes below, I think then we might continue all the way to 138. So we'll see. Would you recommend FTMO? Yeah, why not? People are making a lot of money on it. They pay you, you get the profits, you enjoy the profits. Why not? Free money. You just know if you have skills to pass the challenge, and it's free money. 70%. Who's gonna give you that? Nobody. but they do. So it's a great chance for everyone who doesn't have a big capital to get some capital, make some profits, consistent profits. I mean, it's great. I don't really see much on EU right now. I mean, daily is in a weird place. What can we do here? We don't really have anything. So we'll just wait for some more consolidation to form here and see some better zones. Because right now it's fresh. It's a fresh place for EURUSD. We're not gonna look too much on the left because it's too far. We haven't been here for years. So we'll see what happens. The YouTube chat is the Google search. Everything people want to know, they just text it there, and I am the Google one. So when they ask something, I go on Google, and then I send the answer on YouTube, because they can't do that. Anyway, what are we gonna take here? Because thought we're gonna have some nice setups, but not much is happening. Do you ever take break and reduce on daily time frame as a swing trade? Not really. I mean, when we got a chance, why not? But we didn't get something like that lately. Not yet. Also, dollar is pushing down. It would be a surprise to see a breakout here. I would be very glad to take it if it breaks. Just a matter of time now, because it would be very good level to take a trade here. Maria, wait, what? Are you talking about Angela Mendez, the broker? She managed my account too. Earlier I was afraid all the touch binary options. I actually thought it's a fraud. Yeah, Angela Mendez is very good. She's my broker too. Where are these people living? Who believes this stuff? EA 4-hour, it can be. EA 4-hour can be also good. Okay, so let's just wait. While we wait, we can grab some coffee, and I'll be right back, guys. 2 minutes, I'll be right back. Okay. What happened? Anything interesting? Anything interesting or not? The worst thing is that nothing yet. It's nothing yet. We're just having rejections, no breakouts. Or we had a breakout and there was no retest. Yeah, Andres, you're here. That's interesting. That's interesting actually because you're everywhere. On every live stream, I can see you. Andres, no. You're not a true subscriber. How many hours do you trade today? I don't know. I trade. Trading means the hours that your position is open. Is that what it is or not? Yeah, here's the cat's going as I expected. We get a good close, maybe. Thing is, when there's a very small, not a good momentum, and the break happens, you don't expect the move to be done very fast. It can take time. Yes, I know. Some people here are since the first day. I know them all. I know them all. Yeah, let's see. See, EuroCAD? Look at EuroCAD. Still rejecting the same level. This is why we have to wait for this level to break before taking anything. If USD CAD breaks below, we'll see where we can enter here. Because this this is my preferred support zone where I would take the trade. But like I said before, when these breakouts happens, the breakout is right at support. I don't know. I don't like it. Do you still do copy trade? Yes. Copy trade is still there. Copy trade is still there. We are still up. How much? Let me take a look. 3.42%. Nothing big yet. These past weeks were a bit messy. But I mean, for a month to get 4% almost, it's still good, right? Still good. It is still good. But we'll see. This month's gonna run too. Then we'll see if it's worth it or not. You up 2% per day? No. Who said that? No trades yet today. No trades yet today, guys. We're still waiting. Don't rush anything, because a good trade might come later on. EJ, EA, USD, USD CAD. Yeah, looks like the only setup we're gonna have is USD CAD. What if sells on GJ on this level 800? Would that be a good idea or not? Too risky. It's too risky. USD Russian. What is that? Hello Raja, what is that? It's probably gonna go up. If it's Russia's currency, then all the way up. No trade yet, guys. No trade yet. We're still waiting for a setup. USD CAD might give us a trade on this hourly close. If we get a break below here, might have a chance. Other than that, we're still nothing. I was watching GJ. GJ is rejecting the 4 hour. Rejecting the 4 hour. The 1 hour is closing, maybe not yet official, below 800. Might be a good chance for some shorts the next level here after we break below this. 4 hour rejecting also. This is the next zone for GJ, so yeah, we'll see, but we have to wait for 1 hour to close because there's no confirmation yet. Look, I talked about EU before. We need some more consolidation because these levels are still new right now. I can take a trade with 2-3 rejections only. We need more consolidations like Aussie dollar here. If we manage to break below, we're gonna have a very good trade. But right now we are rejecting. It's a very strong level, so it's gonna take some time. Need patience. We need patience here. The 4 hours is also rejecting, so it's not going to be easy to break. Only USD CAD is going to give us something. Also, the 4 hours is going to close in 15 minutes, so we're going to have a double confirmation. Yeah, let's see. The 4 hour is pretty good actually. I think it can give us a good chance here. Let's see how many pips going to be the breakout. Around 7 pips. Yeah, it can be pretty good. 7 pips breakout on the 4 hour. I mean, why not? We have plenty of rejections. I think we're gonna have a good chance here. Just a matter of time right now. We have 15 minutes left. Once we get a break, we can enter on the retest. Yes, SDJPY waiting for a close, but we have to make a decision here which one we want to take. Thing is, USD is very good, but you know, SDJPY looks way better. The way the 4 candles are closing, it's gonna be very good, because I don't see this being a fake out at all. I mean, we can see some good continuation during your session also after closing above. This candle rejected, we had a lot of candles rejecting. Now this one closing above is going to be a good confirmation. Also, we are breaking above the daily, which means breaking above daily level 2. Everything is going to be in line for this. And I think we're going to have at least, let's see, at least a 20 pip move. Might take some time because it's a slow pair, but we might see some continuation little by little. We have to choose then. USD CAD is also good. I don't know. We have a good range also on USD CAD. We have a very good range. I just don't know if we're gonna have a full pullback to this zone to continue lower. If this is gonna continue down, maybe just gonna make a small pullback here, not come all the way to where we want the retest, because this would be a perfect entry for us. 20 pip stop loss? I don't think so. We don't need a 20 pip stop loss here. Stop loss, if we enter here, it's going to be around 7-8 pips. That can be enough, because if it comes back in the range, probably is going to result in a fake out. Your NZD, you took longs. Why did you take buys on your NZD? Because there is no breakout yet. See, price didn't close clearly above. I don't know why you took buys. Plus, it always came to the next zone, so it's a rejection from resistance. Coming all the way down, I mean, we can even look for sells here, but it wouldn't be a good idea because we have another level here. It's a mess, lots of levels in between. And the sun is, can't see anything. It's coming from my desk. High USD NCD. High USD NCD. Who's that guy? I don't see him anywhere. People are funny. 10 pips. me send you some. Aussie dollar is rejecting. It's not going to be a trade here unless something big happens, like a hole close to the upside like this. Something like this, then I would take the retest around here. But other than that, I don't know. Not yet. USD CAD or NJ? I'm still deciding on that. Still deciding on that. I mean, they're both good. They are both good. NJ is gonna be a 4-hour breakout. I can't let this go. A 4-hour breakout, good one. USD CAD's gonna be good also. Yeah, I mean, let's take both. Let's take both and split the risk. Even though it's not a very good idea, but why not? Look, I'm just thinking that USD CAD might not give us the chance to enter. That's the only reason. So if SDJPY comes first, I'll take that first. So we'll see. See about that. Guys, when you text me, go straight to the point. Like just hey, it's better to go straight to the point. Hello, this and that and this. Not just hi, then nothing else. Yannick, we'll see. Maybe that's the best way. I mean, if SZJPY, if we decide to take USD CAD, and SZJPY always does the retest, and USD CAD might never come, so they're both good. I like SZJPY. Why not taking it? So let's see. Now we're gonna focus on these guys. We're gonna focus on these. No need to go now and search for something else. There's no need for that. Just wait now for a retest here on SZDJPY. The 4-hour is already breaking. I think we're gonna have a break here. 6 minutes left. I don't see anything crazy happening. So we'll see. Yeah, Ash, that's also a good way to trade USD CAD. 4 hour, that's the next setup probably. If it comes for retest, I don't know if it's gonna come or not. SZDJPY is maybe closer. Just have a look at AUD, AUD, SD. Okay. Let's take a look for you. Let's take a look for you. It's not a breakout yet, but if it breaks, then okay, take it. Okay, 5 minutes left. 5 minutes left. Let's see. It's not on my list, but if you want to take it, wait for the break below, a retest, and some continuation. This is my trade here now. SDJPY or USD CAD. EJ is having a massive rejection. Massive rejection. I think it's still going to continue up. Maybe it's going to come for a deeper retest here, then going to continue up more. But it's coming from a daily resistance, so might be a little trickier. For myself, I would take buys, even though I can see this going up again. But it's coming from another zone, so it's better to stay away. GJ is about to close like I expect here. It's very close next support. So what would retest may do here? You know, maybe it would have some continuation. So let's see. This one is better here. I'll stay with this, or USD CAD, or USD CAD. Color theme, save as gray. Apply to all. Let's do this. So let's do this one so we don't miss any. How much of account you risk? 89%. I leave 10% if I go broke. I can have enough to eat.
That's smart. That's what I do always, bro.
Some risk management.
1%. I've said it a million times. You have to risk 1%. It's way better, and it's way easier to make it back if you lose only 1%. Aussie dollar all the way up. Wow. I'm taking Aussie dollar. Wow, Aussie dollar is really gonna continue up. I'm telling you this. Aussie dollar is about to fly. Came all the way above these two previous candles, closing above. A small pullback. It's about to fly to the upside. But it's not a classic setup for us right now, even though I would expect some continuation. Let's see. I mean, I think we're getting some nice setups right now. USD CAD, Aussie dollar, USD JPY, even though it's not going to be a very good breakout, but it's still going to be a good breakout. 4 level is a little bit lower, so we might expect a deeper retest, and after that some more continuation. Do you count wicks when making zones? I count my support or resistance from where candles are closed. From where candles are closed, which means I count them as a zone. You know, as a zone, yes. Oh man, I would take a buy on Aussie dollar. It's gonna be so good. It's gonna go all the way up. It's gonna go all the way up. Great momentum, closed bullish, close above this minor zone. This should continue all the way up. I don't see why not. 4 hour did a retest. The daily might still continue, but I don't know. Better go with the safe ones. NZD JPY needs to make a retest on the 4 hour. After the retest, it's going to be a very good setup. Buy UJ? Why would you buy UJ? Look at this. This crazy pullback. Stay away from UJ. NZD JPY is coming. See, I don't even have this pair on my list. On CTrader, I had to add it. NZD JPY. Yeah, and J is daily resistance. I don't know if it's very safe or not, because we didn't have the best close. That's why we didn't have the best close on SDJPY, because the daily is just there, right there. Maybe we should focus on USD CAD. So I forgot about daily on NZDJPY. This is TradingView, yes.
Yeah, bro, I'm waiting on USD CAD as well for 0.29800.
Yeah, that would be a good place to enter, but I don't know if we're getting a retest or not.
I also
Just
like,
wait.
yeah, AUD USD as you already said, but somehow it's like red, green, red, green, red, green. You know, I don't want it to close red and then to wait another hour to be green again.
Yeah, that's Aussie dollar looks bullish right now because the way it closed the previous candle. I mean, I would like to have a close above these two, but still there's a lot of bullish momentum right now. But when you look at it, it's still in the same zone. I mean, it hasn't gone too far, it's still there. Daily, we can still see some continuation. See, daily sitting above the resistance. You can still see some continuation. I want to take a buy here on Aussie dollar. Take a buy. What do you take?
Me?
Yeah, I heard you.
Oh no, I just moved my stop loss on EJ a little bit above break even because it's about to stop me.
Okay.
And sometimes it's on FGMO when it went against you, you get slippage like one
Yeah.
pip or something, and I don't like it. I don't want to see minus.
Should I dig into that?
Not yet. Yeah, I know. You know, Maybe you should risk six pips here on Aussie dollar. Why not? Yeah, it's leaving without us. That's what I said about USD CAD, because it can only make come around here and then continue all the way up. Something's big gonna come. Some big moves are about to come. And Aussie dollar is about to push. I can feel it. I can feel the Aussie dollar is gonna push. I feel like we're gonna miss some good moves here, but what can we do? It's not that we're getting good confirmations or good retests. What about the other pairs? EU. EJ came all the way to the downside. Wow. 4 hours gonna make a retest here. Oh man, I'll take this, but such a big rejection. Such a big rejection. It's not healthy to take it. But probably it's gonna reject because it doesn't make sense to break all the way through that zone. GJ the same. All GPY pairs acting the same. It's a little bit weird. See CAD JPY too.
I have a different question since there is nothing coming right now. On
Yeah.
EU, we didn't have a daily retest yet. If it comes tomorrow, would you take it?
Would I take it? Maybe I'll take it. I don't really know. I don't really know because a lot of things can change in 2-3 days. You know, whole momentum can change. Would be a bit risky since it already pushed after the breakout candle, right?
Yeah, unfortunately.
We need to find a trade here, but nothing's giving a chance here. We're not giving a chance.
Since a lot of pairs change the direction, maybe we can get the trade to the other direction. If they close back again.
Yeah.
Because to be honest, I don't feel comfy with AUD USD, even though I can see it going up. I don't like the way.
Yeah, same. Same. I can see it going up, but still can't because it's not a classic setup. It's not a classic setup, so.
And USD CAD, unfortunately, we waited all Friday for that, and then nothing happened.
Yeah.
If we wouldn't have closed the trade, we would have been like 4 or 5 hours in the trade to get like 20 pips.
Both have daily levels too. We'll see. You know, your cat can do something later on, maybe. There's a zone on USD CAD. Yeah, there is. Like this is where price has rejected before. To 1.29755. Yeah. Way to the left. Way to the left. Let's see. Yeah, it's almost at support here on the daily USD CAD. I can see this. Yeah, I mean, right now it's risky now because it already pushed down. It's not giving us a good chance. And Aussie dollar is at daily. You know, daily is above this resistance right now. It's above. It opened with a gap or something like that. So lower time frames we already closed above. But no, we don't have to go that far to look. I have to focus on this one here. What's happening here? And maybe on Aussie dollar what we can have is a pullback around here, then some continuation. But it just it's a whole consolidation. It's a whole consolidation. Just messing up here. It's not respecting levels, so we better avoid this. We have still to wait, guys. I am very sorry, but we have to wait because we can't just enter anything. You know, a lot of challenge is going to be done with the upcoming trade. We need to find a good one. Because we can't just take anything that we see. NZD JPY retest. I don't know what to say, man. I don't know. Daily is at this big major zone. It's just a little bit risky. We might have some continuation, but I don't know. It's too risky to take this right now. Look, EverCAD has a good chance on the 1 hour. If it managed to break above, we're gonna have a good trade. To the downside, I wouldn't take anything. I don't like it to the downside. Aussie dollar, I don't really know what's gonna happen here. It's a lot of consolidation. We'll see. USD CAD is gonna be risky. I think we have to move on right now because this hour is not gonna do anything. Come back on next hour and see what happens, because right now I don't see anything good. I don't see anything good. So we'll have to move on right now. Don't have anything good. CAD JPY. I think these JPY pairs, they're all going to have some more continuation. You know, fill this 4-hour wicks, but they're all coming from another zone, so that's the worst thing. Because I see these 4-hour candles going bullish on CAD JPY, EJ probably. You know, this is a very strong zone. You can't just push through that without any kind of news, maybe. So it's coming from another zone. That's the reason why I'm not buying EJ. GJ, nothing. There's nothing there yet. Still in the same zone. We have a zone here, but we don't know what's gonna happen next hour. We have to wait. Okay, guys, I'm gonna have to go now. YouTube, have a nice day. And for my group, see you on the next hour. We'll wait. Every hour, we're gonna see if we're gonna get anything. But we don't have to rush it. We'll see later on what happens. So, no. YouTube is done for today because there's no trades yet. Don't, not gonna go. But you can see what happens with setup that we talked about. And see what happens. Take a look. You have Your cat might break above. Remember the rules and see what you can do.
Thank you very much, bro.
See you for now. Wait, you guys. You Zoom guys, you wait. For now, have a nice day. See you tomorrow.